You don't need thousands of dollars, a warehouse, or even a product to start making money online in 2026. AI dropshipping lets you launch a real store in under 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, right now. Step 1. Open TikTok and search the hashtag Nawa TikTok made me buy it. You're looking for products with millions of views and a comment section on fire. Right now, this 360-degree rotating spice rack organizer is absolutely everywhere. It solves a problem every single household has: a cluttered, chaotic kitchen cabinet. It's satisfying to watch, easy to demo, and it's selling on TikTok Shop right now for around $12 to $15. Step 2. Jump over to AliExpress and search the exact same product. Look at that. You can source it for as low as $2.80. That means on every single sale, you're pocketing anywhere from $9 to $12 profit per order. Copy that product URL. That link is your money link. Step 3. Go to pagepilot.ai, paste your AliExpress link, hit create, and watch what happens. The AI instantly builds a fully designed product page. It writes the sales copy, pulls in the product images, and even imports real customer reviews automatically. No design skills, no copywriting, no guesswork. You just connect it to your Shopify store and you're live. That's it. Your business is open. Now you're ready to launch your first AI dropshipping store. If you want my complete step-by-step blueprint for setting this up from scratch, comment the word dropshipping right now and I'll send it straight to your DM. And if you haven't grabbed my free Claude AI Mastery PDF yet, click the link in my bio right now. Let's build something real. Drop that comment.